good morning, or maybe good afternoon, or good evening. Let me guess. You want to speak English. You watch many videos. You read many books. But it still feels difficult. You think, I need more time to study. But what if I tell you something different? You already have the perfect time to learn English. Every single day. You just don't know it yet. Today, we talk about your daily life. The simple things you do from morning to night. And I will show you how these simple things are your secret key to speaking English fast. Let's begin. Think about your day. You wake up. You open your eyes. The first thing you think is, I am tired. But now, think it in English. Just say it in your mind. I am tired. You open the window. What do you see? Say it. The sun is bright. Or it is raining. Simple. True. You get out of bed. Your feet touch the floor. Say, I get out of bed. You walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. You look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. You see your face. You think, I need to wash my face. Say it. I need to wash my face. This is not studying. This is just thinking about what you are doing, but in English. Now you brush your teeth. You take your toothbrush. You put toothpaste on it. In your mind, say the words. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. I brush my teeth. You take a shower. The water is hot or cold. Say, the water is nice. You get dressed. You choose your clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. You make breakfast. You drink coffee or tea. I make coffee. I drink tea. This is good. You eat something. Bread, eggs, fruit. I eat an apple. I eat bread. You clean your plate. I wash my plate. Then you go to work or you go to school. How do you go? Do you walk? I walk to work. Do you drive? I drive my car. Do you take a bus? I take the bus. You see people. You see cars. You see buildings. Name them in your mind. A man. A woman. A big building. A red car. You arrive. You say, I am here. You start your work. I open my computer. I read my emails. I talk to my friend. You have lunch. It is time for lunch. I am hungry. The food is delicious. Later, you finish. You go home. I finish my work. I go home. You feel tired. I am tired. You cook dinner. I cook rice and chicken. You watch television. I watch a funny show. You read a book. I read a book. Or you call your family. I call my mother. Finally, you get ready for sleep. I am sleepy. I brush my teeth again. I go to bed. I close my eyes. I sleep. This is your power. Your daily routine is a story. And you can tell the story in English every day. The sentences are short. The words are simple. But you're thinking in English. This is the fastest way. You connect English to your life. It is not a strange language in a book. It is the language of your morning coffee, your bus ride, your evening meal. Practice this thinking for 1 week. Every time you do something, say it in your mind. Soon, these sentences will come out of your mouth. You will speak without thinking too much. It will feel natural. Do not try to learn difficult words now. Use the simple words. The words for things you see and touch and do every single day. This is real English. This is how you build confidence. When you talk to someone, you can talk about your day. I woke up early. I had a good breakfast. I worked very hard. This is how conversations start. If you want to remember better, speak out loud when you are alone. In your room, in the bathroom, in your kitchen. Say the sentences. I am making tea. This is my cup. The tea is hot. Your ears will hear the English. Your mouth will learn the shapes of the words. This is your secret practice. No one needs to know, but you will know. And you will improve very, very fast. This channel is here to help you on this journey. If you want more simple, powerful lessons like this, make sure you subscribe. Just click the button below. Together, we will use your daily life to make you a confident English speaker. Thank you for watching. Remember, your life is your best textbook. Start reading it in English today.